guys, welcome back to Travel with Mel. Today we're here at Seda Hotel, Capitol Site, Bacolod, and we're here on the third floor and we're looking for our room, and we're going to occupy room 322. Let's go! Hey guys, so we're here outside our room, so we have finally found it. So I'm gonna show you what our room looks like. Hold on. Hey guys, so welcome to our room. So by the way, we paid 2,700 pesos for this deluxe room. And it's actually a promo, guys, and I'm not sure when they will extend their promo, but this is what our room looks like. So I'm gonna throw you around. So yung room na we chose, it has king size bed, and they have this mini workstation. It's so timely kasi meron kaming work later. And I like it here because merong malaking mirror in front while working. And of course, it has TV. And ito yung lalagyan ng damit at iba pang gamit na dala namin. And of course, the window. So from here, kitang-kita yung pool. And right now I'm gonna show you our comfort room. So this is our comfort room, guys, and it's kinda spacious. And meron na silang complimentary soap, toothbrush, and of course our shower room. Ito siya. It has hot and cold shower. So guys, we'll be staying here for a night, and this room is only good for 2 packs. And this room, it has free access to the gym and also the swimming pool area. Hey guys, we're going to the roof deck because we're so hungry. Let's go! And this way to the roof deck. Welcome to Straight Up. Hi guys, so we're done eating and we're so full, and right now let's check out their swimming pool area. Let's go! So this is the swimming pool area, guys, and ito yung pool nila. So far wala pang naliligo kasi it's still 3:30 in the afternoon. Medyo mainit pa. Ito siya. So we're back in our room. And as I've noticed, meron pala silang complimentary bedroom sleepers. It's actually 2 pairs. Ito siya. Merong name Seda nakalagay. Merong flashlight in case of emergency. And of course, vault. And we have our mini fridge over here. Ito siya. In case you'll buy beer, cakes, sakalaya. And we have our heater and our complimentary water from Seda. So it says here it's BPA free. So we can actually recycle this, guys, to save our mother nature. And meron silang tea and of course coffee. Ito siya. Hey guys, so the lady at the front desk gave us these application forms for our Seda Edge card, and it's actually for free. It's like SM Advantage card where you can enjoy a lot of perks in all Seda properties nationwide. So it says here you can earn 1 point for every 10 peso spent on rooms based on the room rate. That's exclusive of taxes and service charge. And for perks, as a classic member, you will enjoy priority wait list and express assistance through the reservations hotline in every Seda hotel. And you'll get premium internet access, 10% discount on food and drinks, and also room and dining offers exclusively for members. And you can redeem your points for room upgrades, overnight stays, and Seda hotels, dining credits, and club lounge access. So here you go, guys, and we're excited to get our Seda Edge cards. Bye! So guys, we have finally received our Seda Edge physical cards, and I'll be showing you what it looks like. Basahin ko na lang to later. Eto siya. This is what it looks like, guys. I'll just cover the member number for security reasons. So, eto siya. That's the physical card. So, it's almost 7 p.m. So, we're going to use this card to get discounts for our dinner. Bye! I just woke up and it's already 5:30 in the morning. So in a few, we're going downstairs to take aerial shots of the swimming pool, and afterwards we're going up sa kanilang roof deck to have our breakfast sa straight up roof deck restaurant. So join me. Bye! guys, I highly recommend you go here on weekdays because it's not crowded, wala masyadong tao, and look at this, we got the pool only to ourselves.